Hey everyone, hope you're having a productive day. Auto repair here, and today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad valve cover gasket. The valve cover gasket has a crucial job. It keeps engine oil from leaking out and prevents dirt and debris from entering the engine. Some gaskets even include spark plug tube seals, which stop engine oil from entering the spark plug tubes. The valve cover gasket is located between the valve cover and the cylinder head, and some engines may have two valve covers, meaning your vehicle could have two gaskets to maintain. The first sign of a bad valve cover gasket could be your check engine light turning on, often with a misfire code. This happens if a torn spark plug tube seal allows oil to seep into the spark plug tubes. The oil can disrupt the electrical flow between the ignition coil and the spark plug, preventing it from firing properly, resulting in a misfire. The second symptom is visible oil leakage. If the gasket is torn or damaged, it can no longer seal the oil inside, and you'll notice oil seeping out while the engine runs. Next up, you may see smoke rising from the engine or notice a burnt oil smell. This occurs when oil leaks past the valve cover and lands on hot components like the exhaust manifold. Sometimes you might not see smoke, but the burnt oil smell will still be noticeable. Lastly, the dual light on your dashboard might illuminate. If too much oil leaks out, whether from the valve cover or into the spark plug tubes, the oil pressure sensor will detect it. This triggers the oil warning light to alert you of low oil levels or pressure. Important note: if this happens, address it immediately. Engine oil is essential for keeping your car running smoothly and preventing overheating or severe damage. And that's it. These are the key symptoms of a bad valve cover gasket. 1. Check engine light or misfire code. 2. Visible oil leaks. 3. Smoke or burnt oil smell. 4. Oil warning light on the dashboard. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment for any question. And don't forget to subscribe.